Good morning, first grade mathematicians. Today we're going to have a number talk about finding 10 more and 10 less than a number without counting by ones. Our goal today comes from the math standard 1.nbt.c.5. That means that we're going to be learning how to mentally find 10 more or 10 less than a number and explaining how we know. So while you're working today, I want you to think about what happens to the tens and ones place when we add or take away 10. So here's how our number talk will work. I will show you a number, and you will quietly think about what is 10 more and 10 less of that number. When you have your answer, give me a thumbs up, then I'll call on a few of you to share your thinking. And remember, I want to hear how you got your answer, not just what it is. We'll use math words like tens, ones, more, and less. All right, so we'll start with the number 24. What is 10 more than 24? I want you to quietly think in your head about what 10 more than 24 is. Okay, I see some thumbs up. Liam, what did you get? I got 34. Nice. How did you figure that out? I changed the 2 in the tens place to a 3 because the 10 digit goes up 1, the ones place 24 stays the same. Perfect. Let's try another one. What is 10 less than 31? It's 21. Yes. When we take away 10, the tens digit does go down by 1. So 3 becomes 2, and the ones place, the 1 stays the same. Great thinking. And let's do one more. What is 10 more than 44? All the students say 54. Right, so we're adding 10 more to the group of 10, so the 4 becomes a 5. And then our 4 stays the same, so we have 54. So a student, Xavier, then asked the question of, I think 10 less than 34 is 24, but 10 less than 37 is 26, because I counted back by ones. And then I would reply with, that's an interesting thought, Xavier, but let's look at 37 on our number chart. If we move up one row, that is taking away one group of 10, and where do we land? The students then would say 27. And yes, so then when we subtract 10, the tens place changes, 3 becomes a 2, but the ones digit 7 stays the same. We don't need to count back by ones, we just change the tens place. Now let's use a sentence frame to help us explain our thinking. Repeat after me, class. When I say 10, the 10 digit goes up by 1. When I subtract 10, the 10 digits goes down by 1. Now turn and talk to your partner using those sentences and try it with 45 and 54. What happens to the tens and ones? After they share, who would like to share what your partner said? My student says, we said when you add 10 to 45, the 10 goes up from 4 to 5, and we get 55. Excellent. You used clear math language to explain your thinking. Nice job, mathematicians, today. Today you used mental math and place value to find 10 more and 10 less for numbers like 24, 31, 34, 37, 44, 45, and 54. We learned that the tens digit changes, but the ones digit stays the same. You explained your reason clearly using math words and full sentences. That's what great problem solvers do.